May kanta-kanta?
Ha?
Nalagay mo'y kanta-kanta.
Kanta-kanta.
I mean, kasi mga guesting ba na daw kana ka nandong pat na ang kuan.
Ano?
Boot post ata sa EBS.
Ay, nakala ko kapag. Ala na, wala si Kulit. Thank you sa mga nag-send ng madaming gifts na Ate Jasperia, magdamong sa akong igagaw. Igagaw.
Dili pa lagi ko Ate Just, hindi pa ako makaayos dito ng live kasi madaming tao, madaming ginagawa.
Enjoy ko muna dyan sa hometown. Pagbabalik ka, busy ka ulit.
Busy jud. Literal. Tara, tara, sumama ka sa'kin at hawakan ang aking kamay. Tayo ay maglalakbay patungo sa lugar kung saan tayo lang ang may alam. Ang pawis ko'y tumatagaktak sa bilis, may pumapalakpak. Abutin namang ang limuya, hindi, balak lang. Ko'y paro, nakadapo sa iyong buho.
Oh my gosh, yes, US elections, crazy.
Sila?
Bili pa man. Nanood ka ba ng US elections? Crazy!
So, di na
Ma election sa US President. Daog Donald Trump.
Don't discuss here. Don't discuss a bol.
Saan daw pagpaniwang kulit?
Kung saan pagpaniwang dili serious ni na anuhan na advice kung gusto mo magpayat. Syempre kailangan ninyo diet. Number 1, diet.
Walang gulay, marami.
Oo, diet. Basta morning, kaon jud mo daghan kanon. Udto murag sudan-sudan na lang ana or mga gulay ana. Pagkagabi papas mo na mo. Charot la. Pagkagabi na lang siya murag kanon na lang, gamay-gamay na lang gyud.
Okay na, magaganda mo.
Exercise.
Ha?
Exercise din. Pero hindi kami nag-exercise. Exercise ako ulit.
Mag-jogging gani ko sunod. Magsuot lang ko og kanang pang ninja.
Uy, may ninja costume ako.
Ay tinuod.
Yung ginamit ko sa House Challenger.
Ay, Gora Bells.
Nail reveal daw. Nails mo kulit.
Sino nasabi?
Comment section. Pak. Sino ka dyan?
ASMR. Unsa daw ang cup daw lagi kanino daw yung cup? Yung cup na sinuot ko sa airport, binili ko yun. Grabe ang mga tao. Grabe, Just.
Nail reveal ko daw.
Wow, ganda ng nails.
Gano'n nga.
Di ba Ate Just nag-video call pa tayo nung binili ko yun.
Training tayo.
Oh. May ganun ka din? Oh?
Training tayo, di ba?
Asan sa'yo?
Nandun sa room.
Wow. Same pala tayo.
In Bisaya. But,
Shout out Coke, gosh. Kabalugod mo, gikuan ko nila. Binodel nila ako sa Coke. Tapos sinuot ko kahapon, Pepsi. Hindi ko napansin talaga. Sorry guys. Hindi ko napansin. Tapos after to no, mga isa ka adlaw ata. Nag-edit na naman sila na nagsandig ko sa Pepsi. Naonsa. Nanapod sila gi-edit nga karang Vans.
Manifesting and collect. Manifesting and collect. Okay lang yan.
Ano daw? Grabe nga sagi. Mura lagi nagbalay ni Kuya dira kay ang sudan, itlog, tosino, saging. Feeling ko na tinapay dira, may pan. May milk. Ah, wala. Okay, may gagawin tayong task ngayon. Kung hindi tayo malanalo, magugulay tayo next week. Kaya lang, carry balls. Ate Jess, mukhaon sa ko. Be right back later. Bye-bye guys. Mag-eat muna si Ate Coco. Bye-bye. Love you. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal. Grabe ka dagan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye Ate Jess. See you. See you there. See you soon. I miss you. I miss you. Bye-bye, tita. Thank you, tita. Bye-bye, tita. I miss you, tita.
Yes, bisaya po ako. Yes, wala pa ako ligo, wala pa ako anything. Wow, Chelsea from Texas. I think may schoolmate ako before. Nasa Texas. Hi, Yan. Hi, Majoy from Masbate. When ka mo balik og Negros? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. 12.
Agoy. Sorry.
Hi, Pinay Shop. Hi.
Okay lang.
Bakit may ibig sabihin yung ngiti? Ano ba yung ngiti ko?
Hindi naman sila magsabay-sabay. O ba?
Ganito lang yung ngiti ko, guys. Happy. Ganun lang. Life is too short for you to dwell on sadness.
Okay.
But feel your emotions. Hala, ang gulo nun ng buhok ko. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Love you. Oh my gosh, I miss the beach na. Gumingon akong dagat sa Dawin. Ganahan na kayo kumaligo. Walay dagat. Dadol dire. Ganahan na kayo kumaligo. Anyway, this is my favorite bread.
Pero si Bulldog, dagat sa wala.
Sino?
Bulldog.
Huh?
Bulldog.
Woodog. Hi, Woodog. Shout out to you, Woodog.
Hello. Kuwan ka na mo. Pwede mong kalap.
Nakalaag na ka sa Bohol, yes. Short hair. My mom doesn't allow me to have short hair. There was a time na I cut my hair short. I think I was in senior high. Like, ganito.
Hindi na paalam.
Hindi ako nagpaalam. And then my mom freaked. And then I got bangs after. There was a phase that I got bangs. Sobrang pangit pa nun. As in, like, the moment nag-cut yung sa salon, instant regret. And I can't go back kasi na-cut na. Sobrang pangit nun yung face. But anyway. Good morning, everyone.
Pwede ka mag-open simulan?
Mag-amte na lang ako na schedule for the workshop. Darating tayo dyan. I can't wait na also. Bracelet from Pandora. Alam nyo guys, sabi ko, saan ba nang galing yung may commercial ako na news. Pati ako nagulat. Sabi ko, wala. Hello. Hi, shout out to you, Ella from Cebu. Alam niyo guys, ang dami ko nakikita pala na edits na. Touch your hair. Touch your nose. If, mga ganon-ganon. I don't know, wala ko nakita actually now. Pero previously, ang dami ko nakikita. Guys, normal na naman yung touch yung mga nose. Yung hair kayo ha, you're very sneaky. Ang dami niyang ano. Actually, gusto ko na mag-scuba diving din ulit. Or kahit free diving. Looking forward. Sana magpapasado ka sa midterm exam ba yun, Lily? Shout out from Surigao. Sino yun? Thank you. Let us manifest and pray together. Ngayon, rest. Pero, push tayo. Wala. Okay, mamaya may lakad ako. So, magla-live na lang ako. Mga 4. Ay, kasi baka malito ako. Sige, mag-live ako mga 4:30. Magme-makeup. Para makita nyo yung makeup look ko. For something later. Anyway, comment daw guys, ano yung gusto nyo na vlog content? Kasi parang nahihilo na ako, hindi ko alam kung anong mga gagawin ko. Like, mayroon ako things in mind. Or like a list, pero like I need more. Like, what do you wanna know? What do you wanna see? Kasi kayo naman manonood eh. So like, hindi ko alam. Yeah, about the PCOS, definitely that's something that I will talk about sa vlog soon. I have to have more knowledge about it na para at least yung mga sinasabi ko tama or like nakakatulong. So it's based on my experience. Ano din yung mga advice, ano yung dapat gawin. So ganun. I don't wanna give advices kasi tapos baka mali or like baka it's medically incorrect and makakapasama pa sa inyo. Okay, a day in your life. Okay, sige, we'll do that. Ala, nakakahiya. Sige. Oh, my portrait art ka for me. Thank you. Okay, yes, a vlog with Kai and Rain, definitely. That will happen. With my girls. Okay, and with Jared. Okay, sige. Guys, yung broadcast channel ko, professional na kasi yung account ko before pa ako pumasok ng PBB because I had to convert it to professional dahil sa work before. So, hindi ko alam. Wala talaga akong option for broadcast channel. So, fix na. Ang dami nang nag-help. Pero like, hindi talaga. I also want na broadcast channel kasi ang dami ko like, you know, wala lang gusto sabihin or like, dami kong photos na bagay siya pang broadcast channel. Teka lang. Wala na, nalito na ako. Okay, Althea. Si papaalam ko muna si Althea. You have to be kind. Guys, Althea is a kid. Please, be gentle. I don't want Althea or I don't want kids to grow up in a cruel world. So, let's be kinder. Talaga. Yun. Guys, wala akong diet routine. Kumain ako ng rice ngayon. I ate rice, fish paksiw, tocino, and then not so much egg. And then kumain ako ng banana, and then after kumain ako ng bread. So, yun. Okay, so sige, vlog. Sometimes kasi, wala kaming like, pag nagsasama kami, wala kami masyadong ginagawa. So, sige, pero, mga ganun. Sige, noted on, laro, may naman. Yeah, sige, vlog with Kyrie, vlog with Jaren, a day in my life. Chelsea, laro ka. Oh, style swap with Colette. Oh, that's cute. Actually, I thought of ano din eh. Like, shop with us. Tapos, for example, si Jaren, bibili siya ng clothes for me that I would wear and then ako for him. Parang ganun. And then, challenge. Yung mga ganun. So, that's something that I look forward to. But pwede pa kasi sobrang hindi na nag-fit yung schedule namin. Lahat. Oh, ooh, thank you. Mukbang. Aww. Hi, Althea. Guys, say hi to Althea sa comment section. Althea's watching. She gave, gifts. Shoutout din doon. What am I eating? Bread. Bread na. Kumain ako ng rice kanina before eating bread. Thank you sa malaghay niyo, no? Kailan balak mag-Siargao? When the time is right. Maybe next year. Hi, it's me, your girl. Ano yun? Yeah. Sige, gawa tayo na ano. Ano yung vlog outfit? Ano yun? Hi, Yulo. Ayun, nawala yung comment niya. Uy, thank you. Kape tayo. Sige, libre mo. Sige. Sabi mo yan, ha? Ano sa Valdez? Laro? Ooh, let's go. Anong favorite bread ko? Actually, favorite ko bread in general. Like, anything talaga. So, like, any bread. Pandesal, Spanish bread. Lahat. Like, maybe like a little bakery lang or like a huge cafe. Basta bread in general. Comfort. Okay. Mary Grace bread. Cheese bread. Anything with cheese, I like. Okay po, gising na po yung kapatid ko. Sa mga naghahanap sa kapatid ko, dito na po. Guys, he's not my older brother.
Younger brother.
He's my younger brother.
Hi guys, good afternoon, ha?
2M na ako! Wow, thank you! Really? Hindi ka nakita? No, umalis na. 12 call time na.
Sa AB?
Hindi, basta. Favorite lipstick? Guys, hindi kasi ako masyadong nagli-lipstick. Nagli-lip tint lang ako. Nagli-lipstick lang ako pag kailangan sa event. But, gusto ko lang yung mga pink nude shades. Kinakabahan kasi ako pag red. O, what if mag-red lipstick tayo mamaya? Bagay ba siya sa... Hindi siya bagay sa outfit. Hindi ko alam. Well, thank you. Happy to Wow. Thank you for all the love, for all the support. Anong nagpintas ka? Hi, Mariflor. Hi, Angie. Hi, Julie. May kilala ka pag K-pop? BTS. Yung 97 liner, si Mingyu, si Chaono, and si my love, Jungkook. Jungkook, next year, June. Makikita kita. Yes, I'm an army. I love BTS. Ano yan? Ang bilis. Kailan ka ulit? Ay. Si bias talaga si Jungkook. Ay. Asas Roger na? Si Roger sa CR. Ano yung mascara na nakaykay? Hala, may edit na kami ni Colette. Ang bilis niyo. Yeah.
Akin na kita po sa TikTok lagi drawing na ako. Nice kayo.
Can you send it to me? Guys, if may like mga art kayo or may mga painting or drawing, you can tag me. Pero sometimes kasi sa dami hindi ko nakikita. You can tag my brother or my mom and then yung Just official na account. Para at least makita ko. P-pop bias. Beanie. Of course. Thanks to the bear. Guys, yung chapter close kasi tapos na yung PBB. Yung mga post about PBB naman yun. So, it's a chapter close for PBB because another one's gonna open. Moving forward na. And ganun naman talaga life. Another chapter closes, another one opens. So, ganun lang. So, the PBB journey, nag-close na siya. Wala kasi ako maisip na, no? Pero yun. So, and it's not bad if a chapter closes. It means you're ready. Or you have to also be ready for a beautiful, yet a roller coaster ride of another chapter in your life. So, yeah. Hi, Ella. You wanna hear my Bisaya accent? Ano sa mga ganahan nga mabala? Ano sa mga ganahan nga chika? Where did you buy your rings? Guys, no sira na yung isa kong ring. This one, given by my lola, si Mami Vernie, nung graduate ako ng college. This was her. Yes. Hi, it's me, Faye. Shout out to you. So yeah, this was a gift. This was hers, and then she passed it down to me. This is Jaren's. So yeah, and the other one, wala na. But yun yung sa Bali ko binili. So, it feels naked. I don't have jewelry here. But I will. And then I'll do a jewelry tour. Parang ang dami. What is my tip sa mga gustong mag-audition for PBB? Wow, sa audition process, just be yourself. Like, just enjoy the process. Kasi ang dami nyo eh. So, you just have to enjoy. Wala, kasi you don't know also kung gaano ka katagal. Doon, kausapin. Pero kahit when you're just sitting down, just as in, and then just pray. Like, let go and let God. Yun lang. Kasi if it's really meant for you, it's meant for you. So, yun lang. Don't be disheartened if there's a rejection or gano'n. I mean, syempre, masakit. Pero, isipin mo lang na God has greater plans. And if it's for you, it's for you. So, yun lang. Just be yourself. Don't be someone else. Also. Yun lang. Ano pa ba mga tips for it? Yun. Magdala po ng food. Kasi mahabang-habang pilahan po. So, magdala ka dapat ng skyflakes. Or, mga ganun, mga cheese. Crackers, water, biscuits, bread. For at least, you have food. Lalo na pag wala kang kasama. So, yun. Di ko alam kano sa kumuuli og dumagyate ganahan pod biya kay kumuuli. Hi Abigail Chua, shout out to you. post your vlog. Wala pa guys, gagawa pa ako ng vlog. Hindi ko pa alam kailan ma-start. Pero promise you that I'll upload talaga this November. Like a vlog. I just don't know kung ano yung una. Kasi ang dami ko na naiisip. Mga behind the scenes, mga ganun-ganun. Sige, gagawin ko na ng action. Happy birthday, Happy Kalchua. I don't know when the next, PBB audition is. But malalaman naman natin yan. I-announce naman yan. Hi, Juliet Balbuena. I miss you, Juliet. I miss you, Juliet. Yeah, I'll post my vlog sa YouTube. I have a YouTube. It's so funny. I forgot kasi to hide or private my YouTube channel before ako pumasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, nakalimutan ko. And then, I remembered na, nasa loob na ako ng bahay ni Kuya. Sabi ko, shucks, nakakahiya. Makikita yung mga videos ko. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko yung name. I think it's Jasmine Helen Scales. Jasmine Helen. This is my nail design. Wait. Wala, it's grown na. So I have to have it done ulit. Can you see it? Screenshot mo na lang. Pakita mo na lang sa nail tech mo. Thank you.
Ay, mag-iwabot mo siya. Na nagugulat.
Oo, nagulat din ako dun.
Nag-edit na din.
Grabe, ang bilis yung mag-edit, guys. Sometimes kasi I can't see na rin the edits kasi iba na yung algorithm ko. Yeah. So, let's all move forward. Kailan ako pumila for audition? First day sa Novaliches. Oh, what if we'll do a vlog about it? Sa experience ko. Wala, feeling ko ang onti lang. Daldal kasi ako, so baka mahirapan ako. Ay, Ate Joss, what is your original hair color? Dark brown? Black? Parang ganun na shade. When I was younger, it was lighter. And then, nung I think high school na, nag-darken na yung hair ko. It changes. Pure Filipino? No, I'm half British. I'm half Filipina. My mom's Filipina. My dad's British. So, I'm half. Favorite song ko sa playlist? Uy, naabangan. Ano nga ba? Playlist ni Jungkook. Yung,
Nadagay siya din. Yung mag-isip.
who
Si
made this?
Geraldine Art.
Geraldine Arts. Now I see it. Ooh, thank you. Oh, this is so pretty.
Nanay video nga yun yung gigama. Sa itong video yung gigama.
Wow, guys, you're so talented. What's my favorite food? Any pastry, sushi, but any pastry. Talaga. Any bread. Oh my God, Ate Jazz. Ala, nawala. Oh, thank you. Christine Del Mundo, hello. Dili ka mulig dumagete. Di ko pa alam kailan. Dyan. Ano? Anong tawag sa gupit ng hair mo? Hindi ko alam.
Burst paint.
Like, ginupitan lang nila yung hair. Sabi ko lang like, a little curtain back. Yeah, but you're so talented sa mga pag-draw. I like to paint, but I'm not good. Sino kasama mo? My mom and my brother. An ka Davao? I might... We don't know. Yes. Anong shade yun? Anong shade? Mommy, can you give me my...
Perfect.
Nagdala ka magkaon?
Yeah. Si Raj can... my bread. Check natin, guys. Ay, nandito pala kasi dinala ko yun. It's in the shade... Ah, yeah. Shout out ko na si Daryl Wooddog. Shout out to you. Shout out to you.
Sige.
Saucy. It's in the shade Saucy. Bahay niyo po yan or condo po.
This is yummy, mommy.
What's my fave country? Philippines. But definitely would love to go to Europe.
Tastes good.
Hi everyone. Yeah, Pinta Fiesta sa Dumaguete in November.
25.
Cafe Alicia, yes. I've been there. Yes, Bisaya ako. Taga Dumaguete ko. Bisaya ako. Hola. Hi guys, kapatid ko po kasama ko. Tapos yung nanay ko. Kami lang po. Umalis na si Binsoy. Sino yung bias ko sa Bini? Actually, bias ko na sila lahat. Si Jo, si Mika, si Aya. Yes, doon na ang tanhay sa mga. Taga-tanhay ka? Alam niyo guys, so far a favorite book of mine so far na hindi like psychological or like self-help books or like for growth. James Patterson na Private. And I remember ang daming James Patterson book ng parents ko also before.
Ako kulungan yung sa aircon sa room time.
Okay. Ate Jazz, series or movies? It's a win-win situation. Sometimes I want series, pero sometimes movies lang din. I don't know, pero there was a phase na I got so interested in Turkish na series. Wow, there was a phase. Isa lang naman yung series na yun. Pero it was 54 episodes, I think. Or more than that. And every episode, almost 2 hours. It's Senkal Kapimi. Senkal Kapimi. As in, like, para kasi siyang Wattpad. Like, you know the Wattpad stories that you read. I read when I was in high school. So, parang ganun. And ang ganda, ang pogi ng, characters ng Senkal Kapimi and their outfits. So, you can check. It's a Turkish series. Senkal Kapimi. Yes, I'll do vlogs soon. Actually, wala akong K-drama recommendations. Ako nga yung naghihingi ng K-drama recommendations before. Just watched Cream of Tears. Pero may nag-recommend sa akin ng Lovely Runners. So, papanoorin natin yan together. My birthday is on December 24. Ay, ano yun? Ang bilis. Guys, ganito na boses ko. So like, I don't know.
Si Mami Gabi ikay galadat og shoutout sa live. Yung live galay na may gabi puro shoutout yung nabuhat. Ay na magkata.
Shoutout Abida. Actually, So the story about this is JP and Jo, they're pinsan na, alam na yan. And then nung umuwi na yung so mapinsan, and then family friends si na Jo and si na Jaren. But then nung umuwi na yung dad ni Jaren here, I mean like pumunta na here, and then nag-usap sila ni JP and everything, they found out na magpinsan pala si JP and si Jaren. So just, I think last week, they found out na magpinsan sila. So yes, magpinsan po sila. Magpinsan si JP and si Jaren, magpinsan sila. So parang, don't make everything an issue, guys. Kalma lang tayo. Because at the end of the day, we're all human beings. They're human beings. So, hinay-hinay lang. But if ayaw nyo, sige, okay lang. Okay lang din. Yes, Senkal Kapimi. I love that. As in, like, so I got interested na in watching Turkish kasi sobrang ganda nila. So there was a phase that I wanted to learn how to speak not Turkish. As in, I think what I remember is Günaydın. Yes. Tagal na, last 2022 pa ako nanood ng Turkish nun. Yeah, I miss Oh, thank you for the corgi, Althea. Hi, Jassy. Shout out Gwen from Cebu. Grabe mo, Sen. Hi, Gwen from Cebu. Thank you for the gifts. Probably I'll do a vlog about a short one about PCOS. Kasi honestly, right now, I have PCOS, but I'm not taking any medication also. So, yeah. Ate Jazz, more dance. Oh. Sige. Shout out Zet, it's your birthday. Dili ko kabalo ka nun sa kumulig Dumaguete.
Saan nila bubong? Sikat na gano'n.
Wala ako sa Cebu, na ako sa Manila. Oh. Yeah, mga untaog lechon. Shout down to you. Ano yun? Angel? Or
Kasi yung pista Dumaguete, padali naman dito.
sa mga magpista og Dumaguete, padali lang may palihog og lechon diri. Ipalala mo. Alam mo sa dyan mo sa AirPods. Ano sa dyan?
Yung message ko natin dyan.
Yeah.
Punta ko.
LBC or sabay bas magdali para mapadala. Happy birthday, Najma. Yeah, wala. Hindi ako nakauwi sa Buglasan kasi busy yung schedule nun. Pa big night din yun eh. So, sorry. Bawi. Happy 18th birthday, Lay. Hindi ako kumakanta. So, hala, may pasabog na question.